we're going to do these 3 questions together, and then I'll let you guys practice again on the IXL link. This one is a different question. We are going to be looking at using our quantitative reasoning to solve problems with ratios, proportions, and percents. When you see this word proportion, right, the idea is that you have 2 fractions set equal to each other, right? That's the idea. And hopefully, only one piece missing. Then you can use your understanding of cross products to solve for the missing piece. You've done this, all right? You guys will be great at this, I promise. Okay, so we have Denise. Denise read a total of 118 pages. I'm going to write 118 pages in over 2 hours. All right, so she read for 2 hours and read 118 pages. That's a lot of pages. Well done, Denise. Okay. After a total of 29 hours, how many pages will Denise have read in all? So I always put like question mark pages. Some students like to use a variable, right? You can use P for pages. You can use X. That's usually the one most students will do. Whatever you need to know or whatever you need to write to make sure your brain understands that this one is what you'll be solving for, right? So you learn this probably in middle school for the first time. You're going to be multiplying across, right? This is a proportion, so I'm going to be multiplying, right, across like this, all right, and setting up an equation based on that. So I'm going to do 2 times my question mark. So 2 times the question mark equals 118 times 29. So 2 times question mark. Could somebody tell me what 118 times 29 is? 3,422, is that what it was? Yeah, okay. So then to get question mark by itself, how would I get that 2 to the other side? Divide. So my question mark or pages is going to be equal to 1,000. Oh, yes, 1,000. Is it 711?
Yes.
Is that right? Awesome. Questions on Denise? She does read a lot. That's impressive. My son, Henry, last night, he got a new home book. He always gets a home book from his class, like take home to read. He's in 2nd grade, yes, and he really liked it. He kept reading it so much that I picked him up at 5 o'clock from chess club, and by the time he went to bed at 8:15, he had finished the entire book. I know. Straight up Denise, right? Okay. 150 pages. It was a lot. Yeah, so that's why it's always like, okay, how do I get that to happen in all my kids? Because it's like I didn't do anything different with Henry. So, all right, here we go. Number 2, Aaliyah prepared 5.28 kilograms of dough after working for 4 hours. How many hours did Aaliyah work if she prepared 6.6 kilograms of dough? So I'll try this one. I'll put H here for hours. Maybe that you'd like that better. All right, so I'm solving for H hours. Again, I'm going to multiply diagonally. It's called cross products. So 5.28. You'll have to excuse her. People listening at home. Times H equals 6.6. She's TikTok famous. Times 4. So 5.28H. 6.6 times 4, let's see. 60 times 4 is 240. 240 is 264. So is it 26.4? Somebody confirm for me? Yes, thank you.
Absolutely.
Divide both sides. 5.28. This one I do not know. What is it, Hector? I thought you tell me the answer. What is it? Is it 5? Exactly? Oh my God, what a day.
That's crazy. What a meeting. Oh my God, I said that yesterday.
Any questions about Aaliyah?
You can go ahead and
I'm going to go ahead and go number 3. I have tissues if you need to go cry. All right, Shelby. Shelby cycled a total of 13.65 kilometers by making 13 trips to work. So Shelby rides the bicycle to work. Good for you, saving the world. Okay? After 46 trips to work, how many kilometers will Shelby have cycled in total? So kilometers, question mark. So multiply 13 times our question mark equals 13.65 times 46. 13.65 times 46. Gabe, did you just write that down? Do you know what 13.65? Oh, you already doing other ones? No, you're good. Never mind. You go back to what you do. 48.3. That's it? There's no numbers after? Nice. Okay. And then divided by 13. Wait. That's the answer. No, I don't want the answer. I want what's 13.65 times 46? Much higher than that. There you go. That makes more sense. Okay. So you said it's 48.3? 4 kilometers. And that is for Shelby. All right. So you're going to get a chance for 10 minutes. I'll give you 12 minutes. 12 minutes to do these types of questions. I'll go back to the top so you can see the title to make sure you're on the right link. And then once we're done with this, we're going to go over the most missed. There are 4 questions we need to go over from the pre-test.